Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily change the screen resolution if you're using Windows 10, right? And if you are connecting a new monitor to your PC, right? So this is currently the screen resolution I have on my PC. Say for example, if I bought a new monitor and connected that, I might have some problems with the resolution. For example, the display might seem to be stretched, or it might appear to be compressed, or I might get blacked out areas on the top and bottom edges, or even on the left and right hand side, right? So what do you do when that happens? You need to change the screen resolution, right? Now I'm not gonna go over how you can change the resolution when you connect other screens to the PC. For example, if you add another monitor or want to have the display shown on a television, right? That's a different procedure altogether. This is just if you're replacing the monitor and you're still having problems where Windows 10 is not automatically selecting the right resolution, right? So you can change the resolution manually, right? So you need to navigate to your desktop, right click on your mouse and select display settings from the menu. Now once you're in display settings, right, it says customize your display. Now we're not going to change anything here because we are only concerned with changing the resolution. So then we'll select advanced display settings. Once you're in advanced display settings, you need to navigate to resolution, right? So this is what we are concerned with. So at the moment, as you can see, Windows 10 has already recommended the size and it looks fine, right? My display is not stretched, it's not compressed, I don't have any blacked out areas anywhere, so that's fine. But say for example, if I connected a new monitor and for some reason Windows 10 did not detect the actual size and it came up with that option there, right? So that's how my screen would display, right? There is areas that are blacked out now, which I can see, right, on the top and the bottom, and also it looks stretched, right? The display, the text, as you can see, it looks stretched out horizontally. So that's how you can change the resolution, right? There's a few options available here. You can try them and go for the best fit, right? For my screen at the moment, that's the best fit here, and that's what Windows 10 recommends, right? So I'll just select apply there, and if you do not keep the changes, right, it reverts automatically to the default setting or the previous display setting, right? So it will revert to that. So if I select revert, as you can see, it's gone back to the one I had selected, which is the incorrect resolution, right? So I'll select recommended, select apply, and keep changes. So now it's back to the original recommended resolution size, right? So that's how you can change your resolution on Windows 10, right? And remember, this is only if you're replacing your monitor, if you have one monitor, right? If you're planning to project your display on a television set or another monitor, it's a different procedure altogether, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like it, please share and subscribe for more.